a genius chicken trick everyone should know. Insert the sticks into the chicken, and now I'm going to fry the breast until it's golden brown. After frying, I cut the chicken breast into smaller pieces to make the next step easier. With the chicken already cut, I place everything in the food processor. We process the chicken thoroughly until the texture is smooth and fine. All the chicken is now processed. Look how loose and even it turned out. I'll set the chicken aside for a moment. Now I add 3 whole eggs into the blender. I also add 1 1/2 cups of oil and 1 1/4 cups of milk. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I close the blender, and now I blend the mixture for about 2 minutes. After blending for 2 minutes, I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I blend just a little more, just enough to incorporate the baking powder. The baking powder is fully mixed in, and the batter is ready. Now I transfer the batter to a large bowl. I pour part of the batter into the bottom of a greased baking dish. Then I spread all the reserved chicken over this first layer. I keep adding the chicken and distributing it evenly across the dish. All the shredded chicken goes into the pan, evenly spread. It stays loose and light, just as we showed at the beginning. This step ensures a delicious texture for our pie. With the chicken fully spread out, we move on to the topping. Carefully, I pour the rest of the batter over the chicken. I spread it out to cover all the spaces. I make another layer with the remaining batter. The batter should be thin, just enough to cover the filling. I spread it gently, making sure the chicken is fully covered. This recipe is amazing, quick, easy to prepare, and uses just a few ingredients. Every time I make it at home, my kids love it. All done. Everything is now covered. Now I add the cheese on top of the batter to finish assembling. You can't skip the cheese on top. It gives it incredible flavor. It's truly delicious with this topping. You can add a generous cheese layer depending on your taste. You can also use sliced cheese if you prefer. Add a nice thick layer of cheese on top. Now I finish with oregano on top, which is optional. Just a pinch gives it a special aroma. I add a little more to boost the flavor. I place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Our pie is ready and just came out of the oven. I just took it out and the delicious aroma is already noticeable. Now I'll cut a slice to show what it looks like inside. An easy to make pie, perfect for any meal. Look how it turned out inside, full of filling and nicely browned. I already placed the slice on the plate. And now comes the best part. Tasting this delicious pie. Soft, fluffy chicken pie packed with flavor.